Welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about prepositions and your action in a gerund form with ing. After all prepositions, we use an action in gerund form with ing. So remember, when you have your action with ing, the pronunciation is ing. Use your nose, ing, working, talking, cleaning. Example, I am good at cooking. Good is a description, so we need the action am. I am, you are, he is. I am good, connector at. I'm good at baseball, I'm good at soccer, but if it's an action, we use ing. I'm good at cooking. Expresses I cook well. I'm good at cooking. Are you good at cooking? Very good. Let's practice. Are you good at cooking?
Yes, I'm good at cooking.
Are you good at cooking? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. He plays soccer well. So, is he good at playing soccer?
Yes, he is good at playing soccer.
Is he good at playing soccer? Respond. Very good. Are you good at playing soccer?
No, I'm not good at playing soccer.
Are you good at playing soccer? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. They dance well. So, are they good at dancing?
Yes, they're good at dancing.
Are they good at dancing? Respond. Very good. Are you good at dancing?
No, I'm not good at dancing.
Are you good at dancing? Respond. Very good. Description, excited. I am excited. He is excited. You are excited. It's an adjective or description. I'm excited, very happy. I'm excited about. Use connector or preposition about with excited. I'm excited about the vacation. I'm excited about the trip. But if you have action, fly, flying. I'm excited about flying. I'm excited about traveling. Let's practice. Are you excited about traveling?
Yes, I'm very excited about traveling.
Are you excited about traveling? Respond. Very good. Are you excited about flying next summer?
Yes, I'm excited about flying next summer.
Are you excited about flying next summer? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are you excited about traveling?
Yes, I'm excited about traveling.
Are you excited about traveling? Respond. Very good. Are you excited about taking a trip?
Yes, I'm excited about taking a trip.
Are you excited about taking a trip? Very good. Are you excited about visiting your family?
Yes, I'm excited about visiting my family.
Are you excited about visiting your family? Respond. Very good. Interested is a description or adjective for the person. I am interested. I am interested. Use connector or preposition in. I am interested in. I am interested in soccer. I am interested in music. But if you have an action, it needs to be ing, a gerund form. He is interested in reading. Let's practice. Is he interested in reading?
Yes, he is interested in reading.
Is he interested in reading? Respond. Very good. Are you interested in reading?
Yes, I'm interested in reading.
Are you interested in reading? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Is she interested in taking a class?
Yes, she's interested in taking a class.
Is she interested in taking a class? Respond. Very good. Are you interested in taking a class?
Yes, I'm interested in taking a class.
Are you interested in taking a class? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are you interested in buying a car?
Yes, I'm interested in buying a car.
Are you interested in buying a car? Respond. Very good. Afraid. Description. Adjective. Describes a person. I am afraid. I am scared. I am afraid, use preposition of. Afraid of. After preposition, we need a gerund. I'm afraid of driving. I'm afraid of driving in the rain. Are you afraid of driving in the rain? Very good. Let's practice. Is he afraid of driving in the rain?
Yes, he is afraid of driving in the rain.
Is he afraid of driving in the rain? Respond. Very good. Are you afraid of driving in the rain?
Yes, I'm afraid of driving in the rain.
Are you afraid of driving in the rain? Respond. Very good. Is he scared of flying?
Yes, he's scared of flying.
Is he scared of flying? Respond. Very good. Are you scared of flying?
No, I'm not scared of flying.
Are you scared of flying? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Does he work on the computer every day?
Yes, he works on the computer every day.
Is he tired of working on the computer?
Yes, he's tired of working on the computer every day.
Does he work on the computer every day? Respond. Is he tired of working on the computer? Very good. Let's practice. He is exercising. When you're physically tired, we use preposition from. So, is he tired from exercising?
Yes, he's tired from exercising.
Is he tired from exercising? Respond. Very good. And remember, before and after are prepositions too. So we need an action in a gerund. Do you brush your teeth before going to bed?
Yes, I brush my teeth before going to bed.
Do you brush your teeth before going to bed? Respond. Very good. After eating. Do you brush your teeth after eating?
Yes, I brush my teeth after eating.
Do you brush your teeth after eating? Respond. Very good. So, you are coming late for work.
I'm sorry for coming late to work.
Are you sorry for coming late? Very good. Most common example of this is for, thank you for, plus a gerund. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome.
So remember, in English, we have a lot of prepositions, a lot of connectors. Always use a gerund after all connectors, except for to. Remember, to, use a simple action. I need to go, I want to eat. But all other prepositions, use a gerund. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, like it and tell a friend.